It's snowing! Again? Yes! Like a snowstorm. It's not actually like sticking to the ground because the ground is wet or the rain. It's a snowstorm outside.
Me and Michael went outside with coats, with no socks and with shoes.
It's on that person's roof over there.
It's a big snowstorm.
Cool! I want to go out there, but we already did go out in the snow when I was actually on the floor before I went to school. So yeah. Cool. See, it's not sticking to the ground because it was raining. So it doesn't stick. I think it should actually be the other way around because rain is like wet, so it's just sticking to the ground. But yeah, I don't know why. Some of it's kind of on the ground. It's like going on the ground, then it's just like dissolving into nothingness. Whoa. Whoa, you can really see it now. Oh my god. Guess what, Zach? We got 167 subscribers. Woo, we nearly have 200. Well, first we have to get 270, then 200. Yay! It actually does like look like a really good like snowstorm. But it's only small. Today's aim is to go to 170 subscribers in the one day. Okay, guys? Let's go.
Boba Fett.
Comment down below if you like snow, because I do. Woohoo! Oh, they're just playing Star Wars Battlefront.
I'm Boba Fett.
Michael, who are you?
A stormtrooper.
Anyway, guys, so I hope you like this snow video / thank you so much for 167 subscribers. And yeah, the snow is crazy.